Question 1. What is the symbol of silver? AG. Question 2. What is the symbol of iron? FE. Question 3. Which metal is called Hg? Mercury. Question 4. What is the formula of table salt? NaCl. Question 5. Which metal symbol is Cu? Copper. Question 6. What is the symbol of gold? Au. Question 7. What is the formula of water? H2O.